Today's video is featuring this low-carb potato salad without the potatoes. Typically, potatoes are off limits for those of us who are eating healthy and watching our carbs, but it's so great to know that we can substitute the potatoes with cauliflower and still get the same delicious taste of a traditional potato salad. Hey there, my lovely friends. As always, all the ingredients used in this recipe is provided for you in the description. In order to keep our carbs down, of course, we're replacing the potatoes with cauliflower, and we're still going to get that same delicious taste from the herbs and spices, but without the high starch and carbs from the potatoes. First thing you see me doing here is cutting down my florets into small bite-sized pieces to resemble the sizes that you would normally cut your potatoes. First, we want to bring our cauliflower to a boil just as we would our potatoes. Sprinkle with some sea salt and allow your cauliflower to soften to the texture you desire, leaving a slight firmness to it so we don't end up with mashed cauliflower. How in the world did these onions get the name red onions? I'll never know. You can clearly see that these onions are purple, right? Nevertheless, honey, we need to dice these babies up very finely. Red onions are perfect for sandwiches and cold dishes like this, and the yellow onions are often used for hot or grilled dishes. And plus, they're a little sweeter than the yellow onions. So if cutting onions irritate your eyes, just rinse them under cold water before cutting, and that should take care of that problem. Now to our celery. Again, we want to dice these very finely as well. And also our green onion here. Let's dice these as well. Set these to the side. And now our fresh parsley. I love cooking with fresh herbs. The smell alone does something for me. And of course, because of the natural organic flavor that it adds to our foods. I love it. Back over to our cauliflower. I removed it from the heat, rinsed it under cold water to cool it off, and now I'm straining off the excess water and I'm patting it dry. My friends, you want to remove your cauliflower from the hot pot immediately because it will continue to cook even though you remove it from the heat. Furthermore, you don't want to combine your dressing while it's still hot or warm. So let your cauliflower cool off completely, and rinsing it in cold water will allow you to do that much quicker. Okay, now let's transfer our cauliflower into a bowl and we can start assembling our ingredients. Guys, I'm using my sweet salad cubes here. These have a chunkier cut to it than relish does. We're going to add a 1/4 cup, only 5 grams of carbs per tablespoon, but it does contain sugar. So if sugar is an issue for you, slice up a pickle or go with the unsweetened dill relish, which is 0 carbs and 0 sugars. And then you'll need to add about 3 tablespoons of non-sugar sweetener of your choice to compensate the sweetness that you would ordinarily get from the relish. Now we're going to add in our diced celery, red onions, and parsley. Again, guys, exact measurements are available in the description. I'm cutting 4 boiled eggs here into chunky pieces. Guys, I happen to realize that this bowl isn't going to be large enough for us to mix everything around without making a total mess. So I'm going to transfer all that we have here into a larger bowl so that we'll have plenty of space to combine our ingredients. Yes, that's much better. Let's go ahead and blend everything together. See here, I'm using a folding motion, being very careful not to smash our cauliflower. And guys, the thing with assembling any salad, you have to use your own judgment. Here, I see that I need to add a little more salad cubes. One cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and let's give this a good mix. And guys, you can't tell me this doesn't look like potatoes. If I didn't know any better, I would swear these were potatoes in here. Let's sprinkle on some sea salt, a dash of black pepper, okay, let me go ahead and give this the taste test to see if we need to add anything else. Nope, I think this will do it. All we need to do now is top it off with some green onions, sprinkle a little paprika over the top like this here. Cover, place in the refrigerator, and serve it cool. Simply clicking on that like button, it tells YouTube algorithm that this video has value and that others can benefit from healthy nutrition. Guys, if you just click that like button, go ahead and do it now. YouTube will do the rest in making sure that this video is shared and recommended to many others. I really appreciate that, guys. Families, eat healthy, be blessed. Until the next video, make sure that you click over here. I look forward to seeing you guys. God bless you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.